Taste day. Sit down.
Sit down. Is that your first Oreo?
Huh?
That's your first Oreo.
Cheese.
What's it taste like?
Beep.
No, Daddy fixed the beep. It's all done. Daddy fixed the beep. It's all fixed.
Sit.
Yeah.
Sit, Mama.
Sit with Mama.
Sit. Sit.
Sit in your chair. Come here. Kinley, do you like the Oreo?
Cheese.
What's it taste like?
Ella.
Oreo. Good girl. Yeah, it's an Oreo.
Mario.
You want more Oreos? Yes or no? Let me see the wrapper. Let me see it. Bring it here. Let me see it. Can I see?
Mario.
What?
Mario.
More Oreo? I think they're all gone. There's no more. You just have one in your hand. Mommy ate the other one. It's in my tummy.
Oh, that's
Are you going to eat that Oreo?
cheese. Yeah.
Taste. Is it good?
Dad.
Kinley, no more Oreos. Mommy has the wrapper right here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's the other piece. You're right. Thank you.
Two.
Chew.
Cheese. Yeah.
Taste that. Let me see. What's that?
Oh, yeah.
Those are tags.
Tags.
Do you just like the icing? Let me see. Let me see your cookie. Can you show me your cookie? Show me your cookie. There it is. Can you turn it over? Yeah. You ate all the ice. Turn it over. Turn it over again. Oh, there's some more icing left. That's icing. That part's called icing. Are you sharing?
Peace. Right.
Please bite.
Dad. Dad.
You don't like the cookie, you just like the icing. Okay, well here's the icing part right here.